Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to try to make stir fry. So I'm just plan to make Chinese style spicy stir fry. So using this one, it's Chinese seasoning, Huājiāo. Huājiāo. Yeah. Kind of like tofu, but more, flavor is a little different. I love spicy. So make with my favorite garlic sprouts, and I have a mini stock of Huājiāo mushroom, and with tofu, and using pork belly sliced one, carrot. So this is a very important item. It's a basic using stir fry, long leaf and garlic and ginger. Also, I'm gonna plan to make starchy sauce. It's starch with water, making sticky starchy sauce. Okay? It's not so difficult. You better try it. I'm just show you step by step. Okay? Let's start cooking. Okay, cut the tofu. Salt, tofu, okay, just boil about 3 to 5 minutes. Tofu, ginger and garlic. Long leaf. This. Oil, Huājiāo, then turn on switch, high flame. Ready? Garlic splash and carrot. pepper. 그러겠지? Dry cheese, really. Chicken soup powder. I need more rich flavor. Tofu. Touch and roast. So then so heating up serving plate. This is very important. Okay, let's start to eat. See, delicious. いただきます。で、山城。So good. Little bit spicy flavor. Yummy. I'm really recommend this kind of recipe because I'm already show up my original recipe in my channel, so it's not so difficult. Please try it. I'm always show you like a step by step, so easy to make it. So this stir fried about making 10-15 minutes. That's it. So easy. So please try it. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time. My kitchen. Thank you. Bye.